How to save or title your workbook. Here in 2013 Windows, Microsoft Excel, just mark it, here says book 1 Excel, which means now here titled. So to do that, you click file. Now it says save as. Now you could choose any folder. I choose this. Now you have one cool here, so you click here, you remove, you say now normally Excel workbook, you now say save. Now you see here, feel good. Your document have your workbook have been titled. The next action is save. Always remember the difference between save as and save. So save is used after you have saved as, and save as is used to title your work page or your document. That's cool. Feel cool good as we roll.